Hello guys. Welcome to the Traveler YouTube channel. Today, we are at Kashew Cheese restaurant, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Lovely courtyard and clean modern shop with friendly staff. As they tell, Kashew Cheese is a plant-based artisan cheese made from Vietnamese cashew nuts. This plant-based cheese is so amazing. The most beautiful sandwiches and cheese boards I've ever seen. Taste is on point. You won't be disappointed with flavors and the care. Great texture and taste. Definitely recommend trying it out. Vegan or not, this is simply excellent cheese.